To get the latest Vsub coupon code, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you need to create an account. So click on this Get Started button. Next, you need to sign up for a free account. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here you can see that I am on a free plan and I don't have any credit on this account. To get some credit, we need to go to this Upgrade button. Here, you'll see all the different pricing plans of Vsub. Simply select the plan you want to continue with. For now, I will select the starter plan. Next, you can see this section, where I have the coupon code section. Simply enter the coupon code, which is given in the video description. And once you hit the Apply button, you'll see that you've got a 10% discount on your order. Next, you can make the payment via PayPal or credit or debit card. You can also use the crypto option if you want to, but it is a bit time-taking process. You first have to make the payment on the Binance account and then send an email to this email. Only then you'll be able to get access to the plan, which is why I prefer the credit and debit card payment option. Vsub is also offering a lifetime deal right now, in which you can get lifetime access to the Pro or the Premium plan. Simply click on this lifetime pricing option and you'll be taken here. The Pro plan will cost you $490 and we can't use the coupon code here. The Premium plan will cost you $990. Now, if you go back to the monthly plan, you'll notice the pattern here. The Pro plan is costing you $49 per month for 10,000 credit, and the Premium plan will cost you $99 per month for 25,000 credit. Now, if you look at the lifetime deals, you'll see that the monthly credit amount is same. The cost of lifetime deal is 10 times the monthly deal, which means you are basically paying for the monthly plan 10 months in advance, and you'll be able to use the Pro plan for years to come. Sound like a good deal to me. The lifetime plan of Vsub is absolutely worth it, and I highly recommend it. Make sure to use the coupon and discount link, which is given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.